today I'm gonna do HTML, a little bit on HTML. Okay, so the things I'm gonna do today are list, heading, paragraph, and CSS, styling them, and also styling backgrounds. Okay, so I'm just gonna make a new file. Open my folder and make two new files named index1.html and style1.css. Okay, I hope the quality is good. The quality of audio is good. Okay, I'll start with the basic code of HTML. So okay, now I'm starting with I wrote doc.html and HTML. And the HTML code is nesting all the codes and all the code that, including the heading, the title, including the head, the title, the body, and the head is nesting the title, and the body is nesting everything in the body of the code. So, okay. And the body I'm starting is H1 to H6. I look for any background noise. Okay, so I'm writing H6 right now. So after that, I'll write something inside everything of the code H1 to H6. Yeah. I'll copy this and paste it inside of everyone. Oops. Sorry for the background noise. So sorry. Okay, now I'm writing the title. I can't even see what I wrote. So I'm just gonna open it. Okay, I've opened it. So this is just plain. So I'm going to style it with CSS. I don't know why my siblings can't lower the noise. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the same thing for everything, just that I'll change color and change the H1 to H2 and H2 to H2, like, you know what I mean? I'm just sorry for the background noise. Please just manage to watch the video to the end and grab something in the video. I hope this video gets at least 100 views. If I'm putting it on the perfect one. Okay, I'm done. It's time to change the color. Okay, so I'm going to link it. To our right starship, but you can also write icon. Put this in the center and also change the color of the background. I was thinking if I wear an earpiece, you won't hear the background noise, but I think I'm wrong. Really wrong. Very wrong. The background color is going to be black. Okay, now I'm going to put it in center. Okay, now I'm gonna show that. Okay, so now I'm gonna do lists. My next video is gonna be Untitled, and I'm gonna post it today. Yeah. So we also do. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this. Okay. And I made a mistake, I think that something. To the color right? So now we show ourselves that this is the bullet, but it's not working now, but we have to learn to play F. So I'll put it to Okay, I messed it to F. And I'm not doing this because I supposed to remove the center. So because the numbers are far from this hospital. So I deleted it now. Save it. And now it's perfect. Okay, so the next thing is paragraph form. You can call it page statement, but it will start from P. I'm going to do it because I'm not using something. I'm deleting the I hate the way the environment is so noisy. Maybe the music and voiceover will overpower. This is a paragraph or page statement. Oh, I don't like this noise. I don't like it. Let's very bad is good. I need the body good. So I'm gonna put P. Yeah. And then I'll style it. Call it. I don't know what I choose. Okay, move on. With this article. Oh, ladies. This is the paragraph of first page. So I think that's all. Okay, thanks for the text says, okay, I added a bonus code. I added italic bold. I nested italic bold and bold into the P, which is I put this is it. I put I nested it. Then bold. B. And I nested. So now you view and this was the end. So thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and go to my other channel called Peace. Bye.